Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, Mommy.
Are you ready for a happy day?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, let's get ready.
Okay, Mommy.
Come on, brush your teeth.
Okay, Mommy.
Don't forget to wash your face.
I won't, Mommy. Mommy, can I wear my pink dress?
Of course you can.
Yay! I love my pink dress.
It looks beautiful on you. What would you like for breakfast?
I want an egg and milk.
Would you like a banana too?
Yes, please.
Is your breakfast yummy?
Yes, Mommy. It is yummy.
Enjoy your breakfast, sweetheart.
Okay, Mommy. Mommy, can we go to the park?
Yes, sweetheart. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great! Let's go.
Wow, Mommy, look at the park.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, I love it.
Let's have some fun.
Mommy, I want to play on the swing.
Okay, sweetheart.
This is so much fun.
Are you having fun?
Yes, Mommy. Mommy, look at the flowers. They are beautiful.
What color is this flower?
It is pink. Pink is my favorite.
Did you have fun today?
Yes, Mommy. I had so much fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Mommy. Thanks for watching.
Please like and share this video.
Don't forget to subscribe to Hoor Academy.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.